Experience lakeside luxury today in this cottage at River Rocks Plantation in Guntersville. A beautiful exterior awaits you here. A cozy gas log fireplace creates the perfect gathering spot for family evenings. The stylish dining area features wonderful wood details and elegant seating. Discover culinary joy in this bright kitchen. A stunning shiplap wall highlights the beautiful fireplace and cozy sitting area. A beautiful vaulted ceiling elevates the serene primary bedroom with elegant French doors. Enjoy modern fixtures in this bathroom. A lovely guest room offers abundant natural light and stylish golden bed frame accents. Another bright bedroom provides comfortable space. The kitchen boasts premium stainless steel appliances and gorgeous countertops. Contact Shane Vandergriff at Lake Guntersville Real Estate today to schedule a private tour.